This big drone takes off like a helicopter, flies like a biplane, and can carry 70 pounds. It's like an electric air taxi, but for cargo, not humans. A typical quadcopter drone is a small gadget that uses 4 propellers to take off and land vertically, like a helicopter. And at first glance, a cargo-carrying drone from Bell called the APT-70 looks a little bit like one of those flying machines, until you learn that it stands 6 feet tall, spans 9 feet wide, and can carry a 70-pound payload a distance of 35 miles. It's not the kind of drone designed to drop packages in your yard. Instead, Bell sees it as a machine that could carry military gear, medical supplies, industrial components, and tools, or help a delivery company like Japan's Yamato with logistics. This machine first flew late last year, but earlier this month conducted a flight that demonstrated its autonomous capabilities, executing maneuvers on its own like automatically converting to horizontal flight, then back to vertical flight, at the right times. Besides its size, the APT-70, which stands for Autonomous Pod Transport, and notes the number of pounds it can schlep, has another capability that truly separates it from a regular drone. It's actually a biplane. In short, this machine takes off and lands like a helicopter, flies like a plane at speeds of over 100 miles per hour, and does so by shifting its entire position in space. And it's a tail-sitting biplane because before takeoff and after landing, it's like an airplane that's parked pointing straight up, on its tail. When flying, it positions itself parallel to the ground, so the 4 propellers pull it through the air and the 2 wide main surfaces serve as wings. Those wings give it lift as the air passes over them, meaning that the propellers demand 50% less power when the drone is flying horizontally. The drone is what we call a tail-sitting biplane, says Scott Drennan, Vice President of Innovation at Bell.